Hey, 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 how are you all? This is Rahul, and welcome to the Lead Fridays episode number 2. Now, Lead Fridays is a show wherein I will be coming live every Friday and will be giving you tips and tricks all about how you can generate leads online, right? So, today we'll be actually discussing on first of all, if you are someone who is building their business online on particularly Facebook and in an organic way, this is a training which will actually help you to reduce the prospecting time and will also help you to get much better leads and quality leads in a single day, right? So let's quickly jump in this training and let's start. So first of all, I will explain you how, I'll just brush up for you of how an organic marketing actually works, the basics of it. And then we will understand where we can reduce the time which we spend on, right? And what parts can we automate. First of all, understand this: whenever we are doing marketing organically, we need to understand that never automate the relationship building part, right? So organic marketing is totally dependent on relationship. In short, every business is related and is based on the relationships with your clients, with your prospects. So never automate the relationship building part, right? Other things we can easily automate and we should automate. So let's quickly understand how organic marketing works in a conventional way, and then we will understand where on we can automate few things. Let me share my screen, and I will actually show you on my whiteboard. Yeah, okay, right. The screen is visible, and if you're watching it live, just quickly type hashtag live, and if you're watching it replay, quickly type hashtag replay. That will make sure that you are here with me, right? So let's understand first of all how organic marketing actually works. Okay, why am I not able to see my? Okay, yeah. Hmm. So how organic marketing actually works is this is your Facebook profile. I'm shocked. Why am I not able to see the pencil here? The cursor. Okay, yeah, brilliant. See, these are the technical, you know. Okay, so this is your Facebook profile, right? And you are someone who is spending time on Facebook to generate leads. Now, Facebook profile is like your own shop, right? What you do is you optimize, first of all, you optimize your profile. Your cover photo is clear on what you do, right? And you keep on posting and publishing every day, or let's say consistently, right? Why you do this is because the more you are visible in the market, the more are the chances that people will listen to you. You will create a brand, and finally, you will be able to make a sale and a business, right? So the first job which you do is, when you decorate your shop, you place the content there, and it's like the Facebook profile is your shop, so you optimize it, and whenever any person sees your profile, that person clearly understands this is who you are and what can that person expect from you, right? The next job which you do in uh, organic marketing is going in the different communities, and that is FB groups, right? This is something which you do next in an organic marketing. So there are various FB groups, and what you do is you pick two or three maximum. I would say it would, if you have found out two crazy groups, that's done, right? Your job is done. Let's say you found out two groups. Now your job is to make sure that you answer and solve people's problems in those FB groups, and make sure that those groups are like real active groups, not some groups wherein there is no engagement, These FB groups should be wherein your ideal customer hangs out, right? First of all, you must be clear what business you have, what product you want to sell. If you are clear with that, then obviously you will be understanding who your ideal customer is, and then you will be making sure that which FB groups to be active in. So you decided these two FB groups are, your ideal FB groups, and your customers prospects are there. Now you started solving people's problems, right? You started solving them. Now solve it to that extent that in that FB group, people should know that, oh God, Anuj is someone who is always there, right? Your name should be imprinted in people's minds that this is the person who is always ready to help others without any expectations, right? You should be the hero inside that group. Even you should be the first one to reply uh, to to the problems of people even before the moderators or the admin do that, right? That should be the level of engagement. Now if you are doing this, you will notice that people will start noticing you. They will be coming and checking your profile. Now they are checking your profile, they understand, oh man, this person is doing crazy things because you are publishing every day, and they are seeing you, watching you. And later they will jump inside your messenger, right? They will jump inside your messenger and they will talk to you, and that is when you build a relationship with them, and that is when you give them a solution in form of your product or your service, whatever you do, right? That's how you generate a lead, and this process is called inbound lead generation. This is inbound lead generation. Inbound means when you do something with your influence, people start coming to you. This is great, looks good, but the problem is in this particular system, when this part consumes your most of the part, talking to people, solving their problems, this consumes your largest amount of time. And talking about me, I used to spend 10 hours, literally 10 hours. Even in office, I used to check, okay, what is the new post? Shall I, I was always active in those Facebook groups. I was replying to them every time I see a post. And this was going good, but the time consumption is huge, literally huge. Now, the problem is you will not be able to scale if your involvement in the particular system is this much. Obviously, you won't be able to scale. Now, what we have to do here is we have to solve this problem. How can we automate few things? And first of all, this strategy was inbound. There is one thing which we are missing here, and that is outbound strategy. We are not approaching our prospects. Don't we know that these Facebook groups are having our ideal customers? So shouldn't we also approach them? Obviously we should, right? How do ads work? Ads is when marketer is approaching prospects, obviously who is stopping us? We should do that even too. We should do outbound marketing too. We should start approaching people. Now let's say you started picking names from the FB groups, and you started dropping them a message, and you started talking to them. Again, the time consumption will be huge because you are not doing anything different. Earlier you were commenting on their problems, now you are directly approaching them, and it's like the same story. Now how can we increase our leads? See, this is not in our control. Inbound lead is not in our control totally, because you never know how many leads you will be getting today. But outbound is our in our control. So let's focus on outbound lead strategy, so that at least we should know that at least I should be getting 10 leads today. I should be talking to 10 people today, so that I start creating a relationship with those. I should not be waiting, sitting in my shop and waiting to let people come. I should go and market, right? So what I will do is I will use this outbound strategy, and this problem I'll be solving it using a tool. Why? Because we also need to reduce time, right? So we'll be mixing two things, that is outbound What will outbound help us? In increasing our sales. Oh, sorry, increasing lead generation. The second thing which we'll be doing is automation. What will automation do? It will help you to reduce your time spent. We will, make a combination of these two. And automation can be done very effectively using a tool, and the tool which I use is L Messenger Pro. Now I'll show you how exactly you can use the L Messenger Pro, how you can use this tool to create enormous leads. And it's like you'll be talking to 10 to 15 people every single day, right? Let's I'm just type uh, bring it on if you want to show, if you want to literally see how this L Messenger actually works. Just type bio, bring it on, right? Meanwhile, I'll show you the demo of that. Let's quickly jump. Okay, has my screen stopped? Let me check my webcam. Has it actually stopped? Okay, okay, the camera is changed. Let me quickly shift on to the webcam. Yeah, let's now understand this tool. I'll show you the demo, and later on I will jump on an offer which might excite you, because I'll be giving a deal here. Okay, I'll literally go on Facebook. Whatever I explained you till now, I will show you how that works. So our first of all, our strategy would be to go, as I said, we will be capturing outbound leads. We'll be focusing on outbound leads, and I will choose a Facebook group. Let's take Jonathan Montaya's group. 3 days business breakthrough challenge. Right. Let's take Jonathan Montaya's group. He's doing an amazing job. Now, what I'll be doing is I'll be going inside the members column, and I can literally see here which people are have recently joined the group, right? These are the people who are new to the group. Now, one thing which I said, we are using the outbound strategy here. Now the one thing which we can do is we can straight away add them and start conversating them. We can go in their inbox and talk to them. You know, the one common factor here is that we are also in this group and we know that they have recently joined. We can start a conversation from here. But now is the thing that we have to actually automate it. What I will do is I will show you using the L Messenger how we can actually automate this process and save our time. Now this is a 3 days business challenge group tag which I have created. This is called L Messenger Pro tool. It will automatically go and send a friend request to them, as well as an initiating message in their messenger. That's the thing which it will be doing. There are other things also which this tool does, but I'll be only focusing on this particular automation today so that you understand how you can save your time. Now what I will do is I have already created a message here. I'll not go in detail about that because that will be just sheer waste of time right here. So I have already drafted a message. I'll show you that message. Uh, let's go inside the message segment. That's the message which I have created. Let me copy and show you inside Notepad what I have written. The message is, I just noticed that we both are part of Jonathan Montaya's FB group. Just curious to know how is the stuff working for you. For me, it's working awesome. I'm connecting to 30 to 50 people every day and getting 8 to 10 leads every day for my own business. So this is the message for promoting the same tool, right? I promote the same tool. So I use this particular message. This works good for people who have recently, coming inside who are recently coming into the online business. So I have already drafted the message. Now is the turn to run that tool. Now, when you go at the top of this members column, you can see the tags here. And this particular option, which you can see right here, You will only get these options when you have your L Messenger installed. Now, what I'll be doing is I have three options. Whom do you want to target? Do you want to target to the admins and moderators, or do you want to connect to members with things in common? Like uh, there can be few people who have mutual friends here with you, or you want to target to the people who are new to the group. Let's choose new to the group, right? Choose tag. Which tag do are we focusing on? 3 days business breakthrough challenge. I will select this tag because my message is inside this tag. Profile tags, leave this blank as of now because this is for specific targeting. Let's not focus on that because we'll be uh, targeting to each and every person who has recently joined this group. Number of requests, how many requests do you want to send? Let's make it 10 for now. Send interval. This is like how many seconds do you want to Facebook to wait after sending the first message. This is done just to avoid, just to uh, uh, so that Facebook didn't block you just because of the reason that you are using a tool. We should play a safe game. That's why we have kept this 20 to 25 seconds wait timer. Now let's start the magic and we will press this button start and let's see how this tool actually connects with 10 people in few seconds. Let's do this. I have pressed this start button. I'm sure you are able to see the screen, right? Yeah, you are. Okay. Yeah. Let's play the start button. Okay. The tool has started running and you can literally see it running. Right. The tool has already sent the friend request. Now the tool is proceeding to send the message to this person, Roger Albert, sending message to user, and you can literally see that the message is typed, sent, right? The message is sent to that person. Now is the time when system will actually wait for 20 to 25 seconds. You can see right here that the system is showing you a wait time. It will wait for another 10 seconds and it will pick the another member from this list. Okay, let me also show you from where it will pick. See, Roger was the first person. Now it will pick Hanis because Ubori's has changed its policies and people won't be able to send him the request. So here the tool sends the request to that person, Hanis, and now it will proceed to send the message. It's so beauty to see it work. You can literally do anything during this time. Boom. Here the message goes to that person. Right. Again, the timer waits for another 20 seconds. And you can see below friends has been added 2 out of 10. Right. So this is how you do it. Let me stop it as of now because we won't be wasting so much of time. Okay, the person Hanis had asked Facebook not to, so that people don't send him the messages. So the message was sent, but the friend request was not sent. So that's how this tool actually works. There are many more tricks in this tool. You can literally use them. For example, the another trick which you can do is post finder. What you can do is you can go on any post. Let's say let's go on the home page and let's go on this. Let's choose an ad first. I'll show you how you can literally hack ads. Here's an ad from Cambly. Let's say, for example, you are promoting this tool or whatever it is. I'm not sure what Cambly is. So these are 582 people who have seen this ad and also liked this ad. That means they are highly interested in this particular Cambly stuff, whatever it is. What if I target these people and considering the fact that I'm promoting Camly or its competitors. So these are my ideal customers, and you can see my ideal customers at a single place. Isn't that amazing? Apart from other than Facebook groups, this is also a strategy how you can see your ideal customers together. Now, can you see this L Messenger post friend option here? It will only be visible if you have L Messenger with you. I'll select the tag. The message is already drafted. I'll choose how many people I want to send the request, and boom, I'll press the start here and it will start sending the message to them. Isn't that crazy? There are other things which you can also do with this tool, that is sending broadcast messages. For example, if you want to connect with uh, people together on Messenger. For example, I have these 44 people here. If I want to connect with all these 44 people and I want to say a hi to them, I'll go inside the Messenger. I'll start the broadcast in this particular tool, and the tool will start sending a hi hello message using its variations to all of those 44 people. And whoever replies to me, I'll start the conversation from there. Now understand this, we didn't we didn't automated the relationship building part. We didn't automated that. We automated the approach part, the lead generation part. And how this thing will actually work is, when you are sending, when you are running this tool and when you are connecting with people, obviously it won't, the influence will not be built here, the relationship will not be built here. But once they accept your friend request, whatever post you are publishing on Facebook profile here, right here, whatever you are publishing, they will be able to see you every day. And if you are doing this process every day, they will literally see you, what you are, what you have to offer, and will later approach you inside your messenger. And this is a trick how you can literally convert outbound leads into inbound leads. Isn't that amazing? So you approach the people first, you just started a conversation without any selling, and once they accepted your friend request, they came inside your network. Now they can see your posts. Now you are there on Facebook profile, creating content, giving value every day, going live, creating posts, and they will be seeing your stuff every day. And that's how they will start connecting with you. And if you have given any offer, probably they might take that. Isn't that amazing? Just type amazing. Just type amazing if you can find it literally amazing. Right. Okay, let's. Now, what I will be doing here is, let me stop the screen share. Okay, my camera is also stopped. Let me just have a look what happened to it. Okay, let me just change it to my webcam. Now, you have seen this L Messenger tool, how it can literally help you. Now this is the time when Black Friday is approaching, and I'll give a deal here. If you are someone who really loves this tool and if you want to give it a try, I'll give you a deal right here. This tool, let me show you the price of this tool. Let me share the screen and show you how much this tool costs. You have already seen how this tool is effective. Now let's go on the website called Messenger Hacks. This is my own domain because I'm the uh, reseller of this tool called the L Messenger Pro. That's the tool which I showed you just now. Now the tool costs $497. Tool costs $497 for a single year. You get access to this tool for $497 for the full year, right? If you choose to take this tool in the next 2 days, in the next 48 hours, I'll be giving you a code called pre BF, that is Black Friday. Just take this code, apply it. This code is only for valid for another 48 hours. Just apply it, and the tool will only cost you $297. That is straight away $200 discount, right? If you really love this tool and you really want to apply this tool for your business Facebook marketing, and have 10 to 15 leads coming in your system every day, you can go for this, because I'm building my business over this tool, and this is literally helping me. And I have reduced my time spent from 10 hours to 2 hours now, right? So this tool, if you want, literally want to have it, nobody else will be giving you this tool at this particular discount, because the minimum price of the tool is $497 for a year. If you choose to take this tool in another 48 hours, take this code called prebf and literally go out there on the website called messengerhacks.com. Messengerhacks.com. Go on this website, check out the other features which I haven't told you here. Just check out all those features. You know, there are many other features. For example, if you are getting too many leads, for example, if you're getting 10 to 15 leads every day, the next problem which you will be having is managing those leads, right? How will you be able to manage those tools? This tool will actually help you to manage your messenger properly. Let me show it to you. Let's go inside my messenger. I will show you here. See how my messenger looks. Just see how my messenger looks. And I am literally following people using these tags. Can you see the tags here? Can you see these tags? Okay, this is just rendering the tool is rendering people. I have literally tagged people in, in different ways. So it's very easy for me to follow up, because if I'm getting tremendous leads, 15 people every day, that becomes 15 into 30, that becomes 450 people in a single month. How will I be actually remembering what thing I talked to which person? So obviously I'll be taking notes. For example, let's say I connected with this person, I can literally put a note here that, okay, I talked regarding OFA to this person, right? OFA lead. I can literally type this and save it. That's how this works. You can also connect calendar here for reminders, right? For example, let's say the person said you, I can connect with you next week for this. You can go out here, type whatever you want to type, and just press add to calendar, and this tool will literally be, synced with your Google Calendar, and that would be an easy process for you. That's what I wanted to tell you about L Messenger. And if you are someone who is literally serious for this tool and want this tool, the deal is you will be getting the tool at a price of $200 for full 1 year in the next 48 hours, right? That is next 2 days. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let's close this episode 2 today. Thank you very much for joining in. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to check the website called messengerhacks.com, and if you have any problem, connect with you on Facebook. See you there. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you for being live. I really appreciate that. Have a great day.